Class 9 Science. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter 7, that is the multicellular structure, that is tissue. Let us start what will be in your chapter. So first of all, tissue. Cell similar in function and origin from similar type of the cell are called tissue. First, tissue, the definition is given here. Cell similar in function and origin from similarity type of the cells are called tissue. Now, plant tissue. Two types of tissue are found in plants. First one is meristematic tissue, and that is the permanent tissue. First one is meristematic tissue and the second one is permanent tissue. Now third, tissue whose cells possess the power of division are called meristematic tissue. Fourth, meristematic tissue is mainly divided into three classes. First one is apical meristem and intercalary meristem and the lateral meristem. Fifth one is the permanent tissue. Tissues whose cells do not possess the power of division are called permanent tissue. It has no power of division, but they have power of division. That means meristematic has power of division. Let us see the next type of permanent tissues. What is the permanent types? So permanent tissue is divided into two classes. One is simple tissue, second is complex tissue. Now first of all, you can say simple tissue. It is made of some type of cells and it is divided into three types. First one is parenchyma, and second one is collenchyma, and third one is sclerenchyma. Eighth, complex tissue. This is the tissues which possess more than one type of cells. It is of two types. First one is xylem and second one is phloem. Now animal tissues. Animal tissues are four types. First one is epithelial tissue, second one is connective tissue, third one is muscular tissue, and fourth one is nerve tissue. Epithelial tissues. So tissues found in skin, inner lining of mouth and corner of blood vessels and alveoli of the lungs and the tubes of the kidney. Tubules of the kidney. Now let us see the next one. So, connective tissue. What is connective tissue? Binds the body, anchor the various body organ, join and gives support. It is of four types. First, muscular tissue. Its function is to provide motion to various organs of body. It is of three types. Nerve tissue. Its function is to transmit the message and receive the stimulate in the various organ of the body. Division of labor. Division of function in different types of tissue is called division of labor. Parenchyma, group of cells surrounded by the thin membrane of the filled with fluid, was called parenchyma. It is given by Anne Grew. So you can see this is the cutting and this is called that transversal cutting. It is a stem and it is cutting as a transversal section. So this is the transversal section and it is called as longitudinal section. So you have to learn this type of, it is the transversal section and it is the longitudinal section. Let us see what will be happen in this. Now transversal section, this is seen by this, and it is the stem of dictyostelineous plant. And this one is the longitudinal section, stem of the dictyostelineous plant. And now come to the next one. You can see this is the plant, and that is the stalk of the periwinkle immersed in red ink solution. You can see here the bowel 5 germinated seeds of mung. It is the mung seeds, and now you can see cutting by the seeds of the upper part of this. So 5 germinated seeds with root tip cut. Now the 5 roots tip are here. So you can see here, these are the tips of this. Now next one, it is given as a tip. So arrange of the cell in the tip of the radicle. So circulated area shown in the first row of the cell. It is seen by desktop. Now it is the sketch of the different type of the tissues as observed by the swan. It is observed by the swan. Now let us see the next one. Grouping plant tissue. How can grouping this? Plant tissue is divided into 2 parts on the basis of division and definitions. Differentiation. Now first one mesometic tissue and that one is second is the permanent tissue. Composed of the fast dividing cells, example those of tip of the amongst the sides of most stems and roots. And here is composed of the cell that have lost the ability of divide or divide slowly. On the basis of organism, this is permanent tissue is further divided into 2 parts. The one is the first is simple and second one is complex. These are the composed of layer of similar type of cells on the basis of location and function. And here is the each of layers has different types of cells. Example, conducting tissues. On the basis of location and function, we can divide into further some parts. This one is on the basis of location function. It is divided into 2 parts. That is the dermal and that the ground. So forming of the lining and all parts of the mainly protective in the function. And here is the supporting other tissues and the forming of the bulk of different plant parts of open function of as storage tissue. And it is the parenchyma, parenchyma and sclerenchyma. And here are the on the location of and the function. So conducting water and mineral salt usually from the roots to the parts, that is called as xylem. And here is conducting complex compounds like glucose, proteins and mainly foods, that is the phloem. You can see here that is the parenchyma. You can see here parenchyma and it is the intercellular space. You can see here it is the intercellular space and it is the linifying cell wall. It has the cell wall and it is the sclerenchyma. This one is the sclerenchyma and that is the parenchyma. And here is the, you can see in this figure, it is the xylem and this one is the phloem. And xylem in parenchyma, you can see anthracoid and it is the vessels and you can say Siev's tube and it is the phloem parenchyma. Now come to the grouping of animal tissue. That is the animal tissue on the basis of the function, mainly protective lining. So it is the dermal and forming skin and the internal lining of the parts like mouth, blood vessels, tubes of kidney and air sacs in the lungs. Now building different body parts, organizing, connecting and supporting them. It is the connective tissue. Now help in the movement of the body. It is divided in the muscular and muscular is divided for the 3 parts, striated and unstriated and the cardiac. Now carrying sensation in the front of the stimulus and the electing response. Now come to the next division parts. This is the started and the sum of those in hand, leg and the other area of the 4 bodies, the functioning under the voluntary control. And it is the unstretched, so those in our blood vessels, food, canal, air passes, etc. not under voluntary control. Now cardiac, so present in the heart, not under voluntary control of the function and through life. So it is the further divided into 4 parts. First one is the interstitial and adipose, fluid and skeletal. So you can say support internal organism usually found between the internal organs and the around the muscular, dermal, and the nerve and the other tissues. And adipose so help in the maintaining body temperature, also protective in the function of usually found under the skin. So that one is the fluid that is the help in the maintaining the body temperature and usually conducting gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Mainly waste cells are minerals that protect body from the disease. Forming framework of body protecting and the helping in movement. So it is divided into two parts, bone and cartilage, and it is divided into two parts, blood and lymph. It is the different types of animal tissues. You can see the first one is the scaly epithelial tissue, and this one the adipose tissue, and this is the different blood cells. And here is the areolar tissue, and it is the bone tissue, and then the connective tissue, and this is the dermal tissue. Now come to the next one, and that is the striated muscular tissue, and it is cardiac tissue, and this one is the unstriated muscular tissue, and this is the nerve tissue, and it is the muscular tissue. You can see different types of the animal tissues. You can see this one, that is the cell in the P of lower side of the lip and the stomata guard cell. You can see it is the stomata guard cell, and it is the pore. You can see here the pore is here, inner layer, and it is the guard cell. You can see here, and it is the chloroplast, which is looking like a green cell in the fields of the lower sides of the lip and the stomatal guard cell. Now question is that write the function of phloem. So first off you can write the function of phloem. So function of phloem is the transport food materials in the plant. Now question number 2, write the function of xylem. So function of xylem is to transport water and the mineral substance in plants. Now third one is the what is skeletal tissue. So skeletal tissues is the connective tissue which has a solid matrix which protects the entire body. Write the function of the parenchyma, and the function of the parenchyma, that is the first one is storage of food and water. Second one is gaseous oxygen by the intercellular space. Third one is protection and as external skin. Now fourth one is the perform photosynthesis in the form of parenchyma. And the fifth is store excretory products like gums, resin, tannin, etc. Question number 5, state the difference between the cartilage and bone. So you can see here, see it is the cartilage and it one is the bone. So first one is its matrix is partially solid due to which it is flexible, and its matrix is solid due to which it is hard. Now second, its matrix is made up of protein and named chondrin, and its matrix is made up of protein and named ossin. And the bone, third one is the bone marrow is absent, and here is bone marrow is present. And fourth one is the blood corpuscles are not formed in it. So blood corpuscles are formed in it. So you can write the difference this type. Choose the right option. So first you can see here grouping of plant tissue on the basis of function of the conducting substance through them. That is the xylem and phloem. So you can write this one answer. Now tissues are, it is the groups of the cell and their surrounding liquids. And the third is lining deposits are seen in one of the following tissues, that is the parenchyma. So you can write this one. stores food in which so xylem parenchyma stores food. So you can it is found in the special portion of the stem and roots. That is the apical meristem. Now unit of nerve or tissue is that is the neuron. And into how many groups we did which divided by the tissue and that is the four. Fill in the blanks. That is the vascular tissue carries water and mineral salts in plants, and it is epithelial tissue is found in the inner lining of the food, our mouth. Now here is muscular and the connective tissue renders support and the movement of our body parts. Study of tissue is known as histology. Now, tissue which possess the ability to divide are called mesenterical tissue, and the neuron is the unit of nervous tissue. So, that is the nervous tissue, that is the neuron. Let us see the next one. The question is what are tissues? So, I have told you. To answer, you can write the body of all living organisms is made up of cells. All biological activity of unicellular organisms is performed inside the cell like amoeba, paramecium, etc. Which increase in division for labor cells and collect in the group form. So tissue group of the cell with similar origin, structure and the functions are called tissue. Write about the function of any three type of tissue. So you can write the answer. First one, the parenchyma. So interstitial void, vacant space is found in the parenchyma which exchange gases. O2 is released and the CO2 is absorbed. Now second one is the collenchyma. Its cells stored food in its chloroplast and chlorophyll is found which prepare food in presence of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. Third one is the sclerenchyma. This tissue is found in heart type and exists as a coating over the seeds which protect the seeds. Question number 5. Write about the importance of division of the labor among tissue of multicellular organisms. So write the answer. So division of labor is found in tissues of the multicellular organism because combinations of the cell from tissues combine to form tissue system which forms organs and organs combine to form the body. As every organ of the body performs different functions like function of eye is to see, ear to hear, and legs to move. Similar tissue of the every multicellular organism possess the ability to perform different work which is known as division of labor in tissue of multicellular organisms. Write some commonly observable examples of the sclerenchyma tissue. So answer you can write it is the mechanical tissues found in the hard portion of the plants which is made up of long cells and cytoplasm is absent in the completely mature cells. Thus it is that tissue due to deposition of the lining its cell wall is hard and thick. तो example है husk of the coconut, seeds of the orange, etc. Example of the sclerenchyma. Why is blood called a connective tissue? So it's a very important question. So you have to write. Blood is a liquid connective tissue which moves in the circulatory system. Its interstitial material or matrix is in the form of light yellow liquid known as plasma. The corpuscles of these tissues swim in the plasma or blood is a form of connective tissue whose matrix is a fluid. Therefore, blood is known as connective tissue. So you have connect in this by this paper. Now question number 8. Write a note on the historic context of our knowledge of tissue. So you can write here. Study of tissue, Jewel used as the tissue originated from the cell. Every cell possesses the ability to divide. Formation of two cells from one. So combination of various cells formed by division forms tissue. Many tissues combine to form organ, and combination of organs should have formed body. So various scientists study about the tissues, of which one of the scientists was Nagli. This botanist scientist who study about tree and plants gave the imagination for formative and the stable tissue. He gave the name of the mastomatic tissue which grow fast. He concluded that in the epic of the roots and the stem of plants and in the blood and skin of the plants that tissue is found. Along with this, Nagli gave the name xylem and phloem to tubules-like tissue which transport water, mineral and food. Like Nagy or Sheldon and the swan. Also observed fast-growing tissue with small cells and the clear large nucleus, cytoplasm, so sticky fluids inside the cell, and their cell wall and the cell membrane went on becoming thick. That is the complete of the flow chart given below. It is given and it is also filled in the blanks. So you can see here. So it is given another, so you can fill this one. Division on the basis of the composition. And it is here special tissues, and these tissues possess only one type of cells. And here is you can type these tissues possess more than one type of cells. And here you can fill the xylem column is given. And here is the 3, 1, 2, 3, that is the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So that is the fill in the blanks in this. Now come to the 10th question. There is a deep connective between the structure and the function of the tissue. Justify this statement. So you can see here the cell is from the tissue and tissue from the organ and organ from the system of organ. This type of structural composition exists with time. In the process of the unnuclear, uninuclear structure come into existence by these communities of all multicellular organisms developed about 580 million years from today. In this process, various in the structure of the functions of the cell occurred. If we observe that the position of the formation of aquatic to terrestrial plant, we can easily understand the relation between the structure and the function of the cells. So when plants living aquatic life to adopt transversal life, then for the photosynthesis sufficient sunlight and the carbon dioxide and oxygen for the respiration was present, but this was changed on them to protect themselves for dry condition. If we observe the internal structure of the roots, stem and leaves of aquatic and the terrestrial plants, we can assume that in terrestrial environment, then from roots in the soil to leaf, water is conducted. Water is absorbed by the roots because roots are branched, due to which more and more water is absorbed, along with the structure also modified due to which water and minerals reaches other parts of the plant. Question number 11. Group plant tissues on the basis of their characters and function. So you can see here answer. Groupism of the plant tissue keeping in the mind their function and the characteristics. Scientists made of the function, conditions and composition, arrangement and division ability as the basis of characteristics and divide the plant's tissue into different groups for convenience. Study as the division and the differentiation of the plant tissue. Formation of two or more than two tissues is known as division of tissue. And it is your last question. What are the different groups into which animal tissues have been divided, and what is the basis of the such a grouping? So you can write an answer. Animal tissues are divided into four groups. First one is epithelial tissue, second one is connective tissue, and third one is muscular tissue, and it is your nerve tissue. So epithelial tissue, its function to protect the various organs found in the body. Example, skin, inner surface and mouth. Second one is connective tissue. Its function to arrange the various organs of the body and anchor them the provide support. Third one is muscular tissue. Its function is to provide motion to the various organs of the body. Fourth, nerve tissue. Its function is to conduct a message and the receive impulses in various organs of the body. Basis of the division, animal tissue is divided on the basis of their functions. ये लेसन यही समाप्त हो रहा है बच्चों। इसके नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके, और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे जिससे मैं और वीडियो इस तरह की बना के देता रहूं। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज अपना वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूं।